This video will demonstrate how to access the U50's preset configuration options. We can begin by opening the preset menu by pressing on the preset key located on the top row of the keyboard. From this menu we can access and modify the different preset configurations associated with the probe models, exam types, and the related operations. When we access the system presets under the General Presets tab, we will be able to enter a hospital or facility name and modify the language and date settings. The user may also wish to designate a default storage device or file format for images to be saved on there. Other options can be configured, such as the PW velocity units, as well as enabling and disabling the ketones and the sleep mode. In the Application Presets tab, the user can configure items such as the color of the comment text and guidelines, the brightness of the screen, the video printer settings, and the configurable function or F key shortcuts. Another item found in the preset menu is the Pro Presets. In the Pro Preset dialog box, we will find a drop-down menu on the top left corner of the window that displays the probe selection. After choosing a probe model, the system will list the available exam modes, as well as the exam modes that this specific probe is currently associated with. The user may customize the probe preset configuration by adding or removing any of the available exam modes by using the single or double arrow buttons. We can confirm that the changes have taken effect by returning to the main screen and pressing on the probe button to bring up the probe selection window and verifying that the selected exam modes are available under the selected probe. If we wish to add or rename any of the exam modes, it can be done within the exam preset window. The user can add an additional mode by entering a name for the exam and selecting the desired application. Additionally, the user may copy, rename, or delete an already existing exam mode. Make sure that the correct application has been selected, since the image presets will be adjusted to different configurations based on this factor. If we wish to configure the image presets for a specific probe model and exam mode, we can do so in the image preset options. Before customizing the preset values, the user must first select the model of the probe as well as the exam mode. Once the selections have been made, the user may navigate through the various tabs corresponding to the different work modes to relieve the configurable values for items such as the frequency, gain, and depth, among others. After making the desired modifications, the user can go ahead and hit the OK button. A new dialog box will appear to warn the user that these changes will be saved for all future examinations. Click OK once more to confirm. If the clinic or hospital wishes to customize the image presets of several units, or simply transfer the image preset configuration from one unit to another, the user may export the configuration into an external USB drive via the preset menu and selecting image presets. An option labeled Save as XML will be available. Make the selection and hit the Set button to enter the Save As window to select the file destination path and file name. Note that by default, the system will assign a file name based on the current probe model and exam mode. Once confirmed, hit OK to export. To import a preset configuration file, we must access the Load XML option also found in the Image Preset menu. A preset data load window will appear on the screen, allowing the user to select the desired preset data file to load into the system. Select the file and hit OK to confirm loading the preset data. Note that a transducer must be connected in order to make use of these import-export features. In the preset menu, we will also find the measure and comment presets. Move the cursor to highlight measure preset and press set to display the measure preset dialog box. In this window, the user can review the parameters and the available references in the adjacent drop-down lists. After making your selection, press OK to confirm. In order to include additional comments in the comment library, the user must first enter the comment preset window from the preset menu. The window will display the factory-defined comments for the various exam modes available. Each of the tabs located at the top of the window will bring up that exam's corresponding sets of comments. To add any additional custom comments, the user can enter the word or abbreviation with the keyboard, and a brief description or help information may be entered on the larger field to the right. Press OK to confirm. If the user wishes to save a certain preset configuration, they may save that configuration as a DAT file by entering the preset menu and selecting Save as DAT under preset data. A new window will open, giving the user the option to select a storage device and file name for the DAT file. Press OK to confirm, and a message window will appear to verify whether the operation was successful. In order to load a saved configuration, the user will need to load the DAT file by selecting Load DAT from the same preset menu. Select the preset data folder to find any previously saved preset configurations. Select the correct folder and file, press OK, and select Yes to load the preset data. A confirmation message will appear to let the user know that the operation was successful. The unit must be rebooted for the changes to take effect. If the user wishes to restore the preset configuration to the factory defaults, it may be done so by selecting Factory Default under the preset data options within the preset menu. Select yes to confirm the operation and restart the machine to validate the change. For more information on this or any other topics or features, please refer to the user manual. Thank you for watching.